What's up, guys? Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery here, reporting to you from the polar vortex. I'm in the Rocky Mountains and ain't no polar vortex here, just sunshine, and I am sweating right now. Anyway, this message brought to you by the Trail of Tears. If you've watched some of my videos, you're familiar with this trail here. I talk about it. We jokingly call it the Trail of Tears. It doesn't look super steep, but it is like a quarter mile or so of just stairs the whole way. And especially right now, it's like snow. So it's just like, I've got my snow tracks on. It's like an off-brand of Yak Tracks, which, by the way, highly recommend. They're only like $20 or something. I got these ones at Costco, but you can get them online. Helps you a lot. It's like chains for your feet. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I was reminded, and I'm reminded every day when I walk this particular hill, of a value that I learned back when I was doing title boxing, when I was living in St. Louis for a while. We had a roofing company there, and I did title boxing classes, which, if you're not familiar, is like cardio kickboxing. They have the power hour, which is like 60 minutes of pushing you as close to dying as humanly possible. Like, people puke, and it doesn't matter how many times you go, it doesn't seem to get easier. Like, it was really hard. Anyway, during that time, I remember seeing something like a sign that said, "Learn to rest, not quit." And I have buried that in my brain, and I will never forget it, because it's so easy when we're facing a challenge, whether it's physical, mental, in our career, and exercise, whatever it is. It's so easy to, in the moment, like right now even, again, I'm 7,000 feet above sea level. There's no air up here, and just walking this hill is so tough. And I'm reminded in these moments, if I were to make a decision right now, based on how I feel, which again, we talk about feelings come and go like the wind, right? They change, they're here, they're there, they're up, they're down, they're left, they're right. 1 minute you're yes, 1 minute you're no. You're hot, then you're cold, like Katy Perry says. But if I were to make a decision right now about my commitments based on how I'm feeling, which is out of breath, literally sweating, my thighs are burning, I could just be like, wow, this is hard, I don't want to keep doing this. I could turn around, go down the hill, and go home. But learning to rest instead of quitting is one of the biggest things that'll carry you through life. It's like a little mind game. I'll just pause for 20, 30 seconds, maybe a minute, and just stand here and enjoy this beautiful view, right? There's the mountains, and I breathe, I catch my breath, I'm like, I'm fine, and then I just go again. And sometimes I stop and then go like 3 or 4 times on this hill, but I get to the top and I'm done. I'm like, I did it. It's breaking it up into little chunks instead of just quitting and going, I'm dead, and then sprinting down the hill, right? So remember that. Learn to rest, not quit. And another thing that I'll throw in here, another little mind game that I play with myself that has led me to so much success, I get so much done, is if I'm really not feeling it, whether it's I need to work on this project, or I'm writing a blog post and I need to at least crank out 1 more page, or I'm writing a book, or I've got, 20 emails left and I really want to just stop for the day. I will let myself off the hook and I'll say, okay, well, I was going to answer 15 emails, but I've already done 9. I'm so tired right now. Maybe I'll just stop and do the rest tomorrow. Or maybe I'm exercising and I'm like, well, I said I was going to do 5 sets of squats, but I've already done 4. Maybe I'll just stop at 4. I will let myself off the hook, rest for a second, and then I'll just do 1 more. And the fact that I let myself off the hook, I mean it when I say that. I'm saying to myself, I'm not going to beat myself up if I quit right now. But in doing that, it usually inspires me to just get another one done. And I do that over and over and over again. So on this hill, for example, sometimes I just go, I think I'm just going to stop halfway up the hill this time and go home. I had a hard workout this morning. It's fair. And I'm like, yeah, all right. And I get there. I stop, catch my breath, look at this guy. And I'm like, I could just finish. And that's what I do. Learn to rest, not quit. As always, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Check out the website, roofsalesmastery.com. You can email me, Becca, BECCA, at roofsalesmastery.com. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. Keep it crunchy out there, you guys. You're doing great!